Hey guys, and welcome to my review today of Bluehost. So Bluehost is known for being one of the more popular web hosting companies because of its affordability, excellent value, great performance, and being really newbie friendly. It's also one of the 3 hosting services that are officially recommended by WordPress, along with Bluehost and SiteGround. But it's not going to be the perfect choice for everyone. After using Bluehost myself for over 10 years now, I've learned what it's best at as well as the things it's not so great for. So today, I'll not only explain the different features of Bluehost and how will they perform in the real world, but I'll also compare them to the competition and ultimately help you to decide whether Bluehost would be the best hosting company for you or not. And as always, I'll include any links in the description to the best deals or promotional discounts on Bluehost that I can get for you guys. So regarding user friendliness, this is one of the features that sets Bluehost apart, as they make it really easy for anyone to manage a website. Now Bluehost uses cPanel, which is a web hosting control panel that offers a ton of options for integrations. For example, you can add email autoresponders apps to track marketing metrics, such as the number of clicks on your website, and apps for automatic billing. You can also install content management systems other than WordPress, such as Joomla and Drupal. Basically, Bluehost makes it simple and easy to add any additional apps and plugins, which gives your site more features and can help to improve the experience of visitors to your website. On the performance page, you can change the cache settings, which basically allows you to delete the data stored on your website so that it loads faster. And then the settings page gives you an overview of any updates that have happened or are yet to happen. You can also manage content such as your blogs. For example, you can moderate comments you've received on your blog pages rather than having to log into each of your sites individually. And then regarding performance, this is extremely important information. The most important feature of a good web hosting company. This ultimately means a better user experience, which means Google will give you more favor in the search results. And as a result, means your website will get more visitors. So Bluehost has one of the fastest loading times compared to other hosting companies, which is 2.89 seconds on average. Then the second factor is uptime. This measures the amount of time for which your website is up and running and is generally shown as a percentage. Here again, Bluehost is one of the best as well, with an uptime of 99.98% over the course of a year. And although each hosting company experiences some downtime, Bluehost is one of the best in this regard. But in addition to performance, there are several other things Bluehost does which makes it a great value. For example, no matter which hosting plan you choose, they all include at least 1 free domain name for the first year, a free SSL certificate, and 5 free email accounts. Bluehost also has a one-click WordPress installation option, which is simple and easy to use. And in addition to this, another thing that makes Bluehost great for beginners is that it gives you a checklist of all the things that you may need to complete, like organize your site's navigation or customize your design. Also, everyone is given unmetered bandwidth, which means that you won't be charged based on the amount of bandwidth that you use. However, you will be asked to reduce your usage if you exceed the limit set in Bluehost terms and service. This limit is 5,000 database tables and 10 gigabytes of total database usage. Fortunately, it's not likely you'll ever have to worry about this, as most websites never exceed these limits. But one of my favorite things about Bluehost is their customer support. Out of all the hosting companies. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the red button.